Morning guys. Yeah, we keep it wheel again. I'm out with Spikes on the booster. You got me on my booster, and a friend of ours, he's on his GSX1400 muscle bike. We're out for a little ride this morning, and then we're off to the garage to do a bit of maintenance on the GSX14. Bad boys. Woo! Men. Okay guys, we've got the GSX1400 here. Like I said, we're doing a bit of maintenance on it. First one we're going to be doing, putting on it is the disc. So we've got these discs on the floor, nice wavy discs. If you have a look at the originals, as you can see, they are absolutely shagged. You look at the play on that rivet there, it's proper dangerous. So we're swapping both out today. Really you should be doing the pads at the same time, but they're on order, they failed to come. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the discs on just for a safety point of view. Okay, up first we've got the bike up on the front paddock stands, but before we've done that, we've literally cracked the pinch bolts on the right hand side, which allows you to undo this axle. For that you're going to need this adapter here, which goes into that, and because this side's cracked but the other side isn't, it allows you to undo this and lets you pull the actual spindle out. But first, obviously, before it's gone up on the stands, these have been cracked. The actual caliper bolts, they've been cracked as well. So next thing is to take the calipers off, put them aside, take the spindle out, take the wheel out. Okay, that's that loosened, and literally, I mean, this will show you how bad condition this is in a second, but we'll literally twist the caliper just to release it off the disc. There's a little twist left, right. Slides off, jobs are good in. Okay, calipers off, just set back. Now normally you can bungee tie these out so they're sort of like up and out the way like that, but we've got no bungees on us at the moment. Next up, we'll draw the spindle. So loosen her off as much as it can. You can just give it a slight little pull with this. All you've got to do is make sure that the opposite side, this little bit there, isn't spinning. If that was spinning, then you just need to tighten these up. It means the previous person who did a bit of maintenance has left these actually undone, but they're nipped up. That's not spinning. That means you can undo. Okay, so that's undone. Literally pull the wheel out and it'll drop down to the bottom. Next, what you want to do, undo these two pinch bolts, and that little insert with the internal threads can pull out and let you take the wheel out. Crack the two pinch. This little insert now will push inside there like that, which gives you a little bit of play to take your wheel out. There you go, wheel off. I mean, you can hear the disc. Listen to this. Hear that little ting shake? I mean, this one is absolutely knackered. You see that? No, absolutely shot. It's dangerous as this one's got a little bit of play, but nowhere near as bad as this one. So it's something that's really needed. Okay, all the actual bolts are cracked. It's just a case of undoing everything. You can see we've got nice brand new stainless steel nuts to go in. Of course you don't need to replace them, but we've got them, so they're going on. disc off, just stabilise your wheel, little pull, job's a good one. He's off. This is the one that's not too bad, although you can hear still a little bit of play. Definitely needs replacing. Okay, just make sure the bed where it sits is nice and clean. Just give it a little bit of degrease if it needs it, and then offer the new disc up. Simple case of reverse. Now these should have semi-permanent blue thread lock on. Just a nice little dob each one, and then nip it up. There you go guys, one on. Now look at that. Listen to that. Listen to this. Disgusting. Okay, it's a case of flip and repeat. Okay, it's a case of putting the wheel on the reverse way we took it out. The only thing you have got to notice is on Suzuki's, if you have a look at the spindles, look, you look close there, you got a little arrow. That's the direction of rotation for the front wheel. So it goes in this way, rotates that way. That's the correct way. Okay, calipers back on. We've already pushed these back previously so that the actual pistons are back into the housing, which gives us enough space. Slide the disc on. Slide it on over the disc. Job done. Mounting bolts, do this to both sides. Job's a good one. There you go. All fitted. Everything's tightened up as it should. What do you reckon, guys? Looks sweet.